Welcome to GoGo NFTs. We are a grassroots NFT startup, and our mission is to make getting started with NFTs easier. To support people and brands getting started with NFTs, we're early in our mission, and our plans will change, and we want to share our developments with you as we go, giving you insights to how we develop our services and tools as we move forward. The vision for our brand is best explained by having a look at our routes to market. First, we have set ourselves up with marketing services for NFT projects. We come from a traditional marketing background where we offer paid ads, website development, content creation, branding, and so on. So that gives us some nice benefits that we can help support NFT projects currently. The future of this will be to become an NFT marketplace where we connect artists, brands, and developers, having a tool that makes it easy for everyone to connect, create contracts, and produce projects. Our second route to market is curating NFT projects. We'll do this in two ways. One is by creating content, either through video like this, or blogs or different informational points where it's going to save you time, hassle, and money trying to figure out all of the answers. We won't know how to do all of this ourselves, so we will be promoting different NFT influencers and different people, which will again help you find the best information at the best time, where to go and what to do. Secondly, we have introduced an upcoming section to our website, which will be displaying upcoming NFT projects, helping you curate the NFT projects for you, prompting you, giving you notifications and all that nice stuff. That'll just help you out with your NFT research. There's a lot of projects out there and there's not enough hours in the day. So let's keep curating and supporting everyone who is looking to read up and watch information about NFTs. Third, we are launching our own NFT project. There's no better way to develop your blockchain and NFT skills as a business than getting down and dirty with it. We want to create and launch our own NFT project, which is underway at the moment. You can find the project at cryptobrick.co. Links down in the description. You got to start your projects, build your relationships, build your community, and get going. The market's moving fast and there are many moving elements. This helps us to see tools that are available, the pain points, and good, bad, and ugly NFT drops. We know we've all seen a good few great and unfortunate NFT drops over time, and we need to know what's going right and going wrong in the marketplace. Our first NFT project is our alpha project. This is not aimed to be a quick flip. It's looking to build a network of builders and doers in the NFT space. As an NFT holder, you will receive long-term benefits, giving you access into some of the tools that we build, airdrops, and many more things going forward. A fourth route to market is one of those tools that you would get grandfathered into, which is an NFT notification center. We want to make it easy for you to gather the information of what contracts, what communities are buying, selling, prompting you at where the good money is going and where the bad money is going. We see competitors in the market like Nansen and your competitors coming on at the moment. We see a really good opportunity to support NFT creators. All of our projects are looking to act as on-ramps for businesses and people, making your life easier, curating content, and providing you stats and analytics that will make your buying decisions better. Long-term vision for GoGo NFTs in our ecosystem would be considering having GoGo NFTs being the AppSumo of NFTs, offering great deals, information, and tools to the users in a very simple and concise way. If you're looking to improve your knowledge on NFTs, find the right projects, people, and brands that are coming into the space, then make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, see what we're up to, and follow in through our journey, and we will connect with you on the next video. I've been John, this is GoGo NFTs.